Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are in the first week of May. Summer is just ahead of us and I feel like making a really nice, easy summer salad. This here is a Mediterranean cucumber, tomato, lemon salad, which is so easy to make. So I'm going to share with you guys right now how to make it. So let me share with you guys the ingredients you need. You can buy this anywhere. I go to my local Mediterranean market, which is right down the street for me. So you need Persian cucumbers. I have 8 of them right now here in front of me. Then you need some tomatoes. I buy mine on the vine. So I'm gonna use for the salad 4 tomatoes. And the secret about the salad is Italian parsley. And I literally use an entire bunch of Italian parsley in the salad. And you need some fresh mint right here. I'm going to use 3 green onions. I'm going to also use 2 lemons, some kosher salt, which I have right in here, some fresh grated pepper, and some olive oil. And that is it. All right guys, so I always cut off the ends, and it's really important that you cut them all in the same size, okay? So what I do is I just cut them like this, and then I'm going to cut like little cubes, just like that. So you want your size to look about just like that. And then I'm going to put them into a bowl. And I'm going to repeat this now with all my cucumbers. All right, let's cut our last cucumber. I love this salad because it's so refreshing. And another really great thing about this salad is that once you make it, it actually gets better. So you can leave it in the fridge for at least 3 days. And I make it like sometimes, you know, in the morning, and then I have it the next day or even the second day. It tastes so good. I love having a salad that you can store in the fridge, and then you have something in the fridge for the whole week. All right, so this is my cucumbers. Now I'm cutting the tomatoes. It's really important that you cut the tomatoes the same size than the cucumbers. And I like using a serrated knife for that. So I'm just cutting off that first part. And then I'm trying to just make it the same size. About here. I also like using, I didn't have them today, these are like really good tomatoes off the vine, but I also like to use the little baby tomatoes. They have them at Trader Joe's, you know, the small little baby tomatoes are perfect for the salad. So we've already cut the tomatoes and the cucumber. I have already cut my Italian parsley, which literally is an entire bunch, which looks like that. And I cut it really nice and fine and thin. That is going into the salad. And then my next step is fresh mint. I have a handful of fresh mint right here. I'm going to chop that up really quickly. And this is really preference, like I'm not giving you the exact amount. It depends. Some people don't like mint, some people really love it. So, you know, a few leaves, whatever you prefer. So I'm going to chop that up with my knife. The smell of fresh mint is just the best. All right, once the mint is cut, we'll add that into our salad. The next step is I'm going to add 3 green onions. All right, let's cut them up as well. Perfect. That goes into our salad. Now for our dressing, I'm going to just use the same cup I used for my Italian parsley. I'm going to squeeze 2 lemons into this container. I have a little lemon presser right here. All right, guys, 2 lemons will go right into our Pyrex glass. And then I'm going to add a good handful or pinch, a really good pinch, maybe 2 pinch, because it's a big salad, of kosher salt. I'm going to add some fresh pepper. And now the olive oil. I want to just give you guys a little trick. I would say I would start with about a 1/4 cup, but I never really measure my olive oil. What I always do in my dressings, I always end with the olive oil. So I add this in, and then I whisk it. But when you really know that you have enough olive oil is when your dressing starts to emulsify, meaning when it gets thick. So I like to just kind of like pour in the oil and whisk at the same time. All right, now this goes over the salad. Nice, and now we're gonna mix it. Just gonna take a nice spoon and mix it all together. You can really smell all the ingredients. You can smell the lemon, the parsley, the mint, all the flavors are sort of like marinating together. The salad is done. What I do is I honestly love eating it just like that for lunch. But today I went to the market, which is right down the street from my house, and it's the most amazing Mediterranean market. I buy my French feta there, and for lunch this is perfect to just cut a slice of that, and you can add that into the salad. Perfect lunch. And another thing I love getting there are these sesame seed toasted flatbread crackers. They look like this. They're perfect with it for lunch. Let me just show you one, if I can open it. They look like that. They're so delicious. Or another thing I buy there is this flatbread, which we bought today, and somebody was nibbling on that already. I think it was my husband. Just want to share with you guys what it looks like. It's amazing. It's this flatbread like this, and you can have it with your salad, or you can make a wrap with it, or I love it with hummus. It's so good. And yeah, that is it. All right, guys, this is my Mediterranean salad. It's so good. Yum. I love it with a cracker or the flatbread I just showed you. So I hope that I inspired you guys with a fresh Mediterranean salad. Let me know what else you would like to see. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me comments below, and yeah, I see you very soon. Bye.